In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks on Wells Fargo. Whether you're restocking your supply of checks or ordering them for the first time, I'll walk you through the entire process to make it as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to start by opening up the Wells Fargo mobile app, or if you're on your computer, head over to their official website, which is www.wellsfargo.com. Once you're there, it's time to log into your Wells Fargo account. Be sure to have your username and password ready. If this is your first time logging in, you might need to complete a security check. But don't worry, just follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. Here, you should see a list of your accounts. What we want to do is locate the specific checking account for which you want to order checks. Simply select that account to proceed. The next step is to find the Account Services option. On the website, you might see this option right away, but if you're using the app, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find More Services. Click or tap on Account Services to move forward. Once you're on the Account Services page, look for the Order Checks and Deposit Tickets option. This is your gateway to getting those checks. Tap or click on this option, and you'll be redirected to the Deluxe Checks website. This website is where you'll make the detailed choices for your checks. Here comes the fun part: choosing your check design and quantity. Deluxe Checks offers a variety of designs, so take your time to pick one that suits your style or needs. Consider how many checks you go through when deciding on the quantity to order. It might be beneficial to order a few extra to avoid reordering too frequently. After you've made your design and quantity selections, you'll need to review your shipping and payment details. Make sure everything looks correct. It's always a good idea to double check the information here to prevent any delivery mishaps or billing issues. And there you have it. The final step is to tap or click on Submit Order. Once this is done, you can sit back and relax, knowing that your new checks are on their way to you. I hope this guide makes the process of ordering checks through Wells Fargo a breeze. Remember, having checks on hand can be incredibly useful for those transactions where a card just won't do. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips in our next video.